Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here with a unboxing from BEEBEECRAFT. For those of you who don't know about BEEBEECRAFT, it's an online store. They carry everything from jewelry making supplies and craft supplies, boxing, packaging ideas, just a plethora of different things. So be sure to check them out. I'll put their shop link down below. They also have an affiliate program you can get in, and that link will be there as well. And they have a collaboration program, which is similar to what I'm doing, where you get products and you create for them. So I'll have all that down below for you, and I'll have all the links to everything that I got this time around. And then I'll be back in the next week with some projects using the things that I've selected. So let's get busy. So the first thing I selected were these wooden frames right here. And they are like shadow box kind of frames. I don't know if they tape this down pretty good. Hang on. Let me see if I can get this open so I can show you just one of them. Oh my goodness. These are protected really well. And I think you get 6 or so in the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. 7, 8, 9, about 10 in an order. And I just think they're really nice. They're thin. I thought they would make a nice project, you know, to make like a 3D-ish kind of project. So that was the first item I picked up. Oops. Scissors are attached. The next item I picked up were these Christmas ribbons. And what I liked about them is that you don't get a whole ton of stuff. You get, you know, a good probably yard or so of each one. But I love that there's such a variety of different patterns that you get. And they're not always easy to find different Christmas ribbons. Like I think I've never seen anything like this one. I love the one with the pink on it. This one's got gold trim. Stockings. This one I love. The star, it's a sheer. Then you've got a plaid and this Christmas one. Snowflakes, mittens. And you get all this in one order. Ho, ho, ho. More snowflakes. Merry Christmas. This one here. You even get a pink series, which I love. This one looks like it's going to read Merry Christmas. The trees, stars, presents. That one's pink and gold. Really nice. And then here's the other one. So you get all of that in one order, and it's so nice to have such a great variety to play with during your Christmas crafting. So definitely check that out. And by the way, my code is Scrappinology-10. If you use my code, you'll get 10% off your entire purchase. I forgot to mention that earlier, but I would get around to it, and I'm sure you're seeing it there. That would be my code. The next item that I got is called, I believe they call this the Red Elf Door Set. And so what it is, it's this little kit you get, and it is super cute, you guys. Wait till you see this. Let's open this up. Let me open everything up. These are like little, what do you call those? Popped sticky dots or something like that. So what comes in here, let's start with the main thing, is this door. So you could put this, you know, I think what they were intended for was to put them on your baseboard around your house. So if you had little fairy doors and stuff like that, I think that's what this is. But it is so cute. It opens up. It's got metal fixtures, a little mail slot, a little door knocker that even actually you can knock with it. I think it's just so cute. So you can set this up anywhere that you want. It comes with a wreath as well, with bows and Merry Christmas on it. It comes with a Christmas tree. So basically you just set up your little scenery however you'd like. A little welcome mat for your door. You have a ladder, a tiny little ladder. Your post mail box. Isn't that cute? Then you have your Christmas lights. You get a strand of Christmas lights so you can decorate your front door. And then there's a couple of candy canes, and they're made out of clay. And then you get this tiny little key for your front door. It's so cute. Can you see that? It's so tiny. And then there's 2 more items. I think it comes with so much stuff, and it's such a cute little thing you could do with your children or whatever, is make a little scene up. This is a stencil, so you can use white paint or powder or whatever to make it look like footprints coming up to the mailbox or to the front door. And it also comes with some fencing, which I think is so cute. So you can make a scenery around your house. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this quite yet, but I loved it when I saw it, and I believe they have this in a pink version, which I didn't see until after I got mine. So anyhow, but I'm doing a red and white Christmas, so I thought, why not? So that's that set. And now let's get into the dies. I know you all love dies, and I'm no exception. This one I'll start with. I don't have samples yet, but I will coming up. But this one is a giant safety pin right there. And then it comes with 2 of those. So then, and then you get all these different toppers that you can put on there. This one's like a star, a little bear, a chicken, a raccoon, a pig, a sheep, a monkey. There's an elephant, a lion. I think that's a raccoon. There's a bunny. I mean, you get a whole bunch of different ones in here that you can use for decorating. And I'm working on a baby album right now, and that's why I got this. I thought it would be perfect for that. So I'll have a few samples of these for you to see them when they're made. The next one I got is a, let's see, this one here. This is a gift box set, and well, there's a lot of pieces to it, I could tell you that much. When I put this together, you'll see how it works, but it's a gift box, and it has a ton of other designs that you can incorporate into that gift box. So a really good looking set. This one is a 3D house die, and so you get the different parts of the house. That's the front, the doors, the sides, the rooftops. I'm assuming these are to put it together on the side somehow. I don't know yet. I have to play with them, but that's what that is. And then last but not least, this set is amazing. If you haven't seen this set and seen it, how much stuff comes in this set. I saw this on someone else's channel at one time, and the minute I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I need that in my life. So this is a tag set, but look at all these, look at everything you get in this tag set. So you get toppers, you get slots, you get little tags, you get arrows, tabs, reinforcement circles, more reinforcement circle, more toppers. It's just loaded, and so I thought this would be a perfect set to have in my stash, and it'll be fun to create with the different toppers like this one right here. This could be a Valentine's Day topper. Isn't that pretty? So anyhow, that is my haul from BEEBEECRAFT this time. And stay tuned. Next week I will come back and I will be using some of these products. And then in a subsequent video I'll do more. So have a look. The links are down below. And don't forget Scrappinology-10 and shopping at BEEBEECRAFT. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.